Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to back up your chat in WhatsApp. So this is how you do your backup manually. It also does an auto backup. It should be overnight, but this is how you can do it yourself. So open up WhatsApp and then click on the three dots, go into settings and then go into chats and then go to chat backup, and then you've got all this. If you want to include videos, just toggle that on, and then you've got to go for me it's backed up to Google Drive, so you can see it's backed up to that. You should be able to change that if you want. You can choose an account or you can add another account. Basically that's that, and then once all that's done, you can click on backup and you can see it's going through the process. And that's it, everybody. That's how you back up your WhatsApp chat, including the videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.